welcome to Mama Marzia's kitchen. Today I'm in the kitchen with a guest, the
oozbund.
and today I'm going to teach him how to make gnocchi. Okay, welcome to the oozbund, to the gnocchi cooking class. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Very excited. So we're making gnocchi from scratch. This is my mom's recipe. So you have to make the gnocchi after this cooking class. And guess what? The cooking class is free again.
Excellent.
Ingredients are, do you know the ingredients?
Potato, flour, egg.
Potatoes, flour and egg. So now we are going to start. Okay, so the ingredients are potato, they are already boiled and riced.
I thought it was potato.
Oh, potatoes. potatoes. So potatoes already boiled and riced. You have to check the other videos. And then eggs and flour. So I boiled the potatoes with the skin on. Remember that. Skin on when you boil the potatoes.
Skin on.
Skin on. And then you have to peel them right away.
Right away.
When they're ready, you just put the fork in, and when it's ready, you peel them and you rice them with the potato rice. These are 2 kilograms almost of riced potatoes, 2 eggs, and 450 grams of flour. A occhio. You have to add flour as you go. So the first thing to do, oozbund,
Yes.
it's to put the eggs in the vulcano. You put the potatoes in a board on your counter, okay? Now, grab a fork and beat the eggs together. Yay! You excited?
Very excited.
Now, we're going to start to add the flour, okay? And now I'm gonna show you how I make the dough, okay? But next time you have to do it by yourself.
Show me how to make the dough.
Okay, so now we have to mix all the ingredients together. And by the way, the potatoes have to be cold.
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 Got it.
Cold, but can you move a little bit? Sorry. Okay, so now we have to put everything together, the potatoes, the egg and the flour. So now I'm going to teach you a trick. A trick. Okay. Trick that my mom taught me is this. So this is called faccia in Italian. Do you know in English?
Face.
Face. So this is a face. It's called faccia with lots of wrinkles, right? So at the end we have to add all the flour and the face needs to be nice and smooth like a baby face. Okay? So we have to do that, we have to knead and incorporate the flour. I'm going to do it for you right now because I know it can be overwhelming, right?
Right.
Mi fai ridere. Vabbè, meglio ridere che piangere, giusto? Also your best friend when you make gnocchi. I call this Maria.
Maria.
Yeah, I don't know why, but everybody calls her Maria in Italy. So now we have to put everything together, adding the flour as we go, right? Okay, friends, now the oozbund is trying to knead. You have to sprinkle some flour on top and all around as you go, right? Good job!
Okay.
So how do you feel to make gnocchi?
Not my first time.
Oh, not your first time?
No.
When did you make gnocchi the first time?
Oh, it was a long time ago.
Oh, with your mom and dad?
I think so.
Yeah, otherwise, with who? Right?
Maria.
Who's Maria? The spatula? Fun fact about your family, probably you don't know. Did you know that your mom learned how to make gnocchi from your dad?
I knew that.
Oh, you knew that? Okay. I thought I told you a news. Anyway, fantastic. Don't lose the dough. Don't lose the potatoes. Right? How happy you are to make gnocchi? Are you more happy to make them or to eat them?
I think that's a very silly question.
Why? Sometimes I'm more excited to make them than to eat them. Because I like to make gnocchi. Okay, so look how good he is. Wow, you're amazing. Such a good student, right? Sorry, we are laughing. So see the face, friends. Matti, do a close up. The face now, it's not 80 years old. It's not full of wrinkle. It's getting younger. Now I think it's 50, 40, 50. So you're almost there, oozbund. Good job. I'm sure your mommy will be so proud of you. Okay, friends. The gnocchi are almost ready. The dough, right?
The dough.
How the dough feel like, amore?
Soft, supple.
Eh? What? Non ho capito.
You asked me, I answered.
Smooth, you mean?
Smooth.
Smooth. And we have to also tell my followers what is the secret ingredient.
Potatoes?
No. You didn't pass the test.
You haven't figured this out by now?
A sprinkle of love. Remember that? The sprinkle of love goes everywhere. The dough is ready. Look how beautiful. Oops. Did you have fun, amore?
Looks like a football.
Yeah, looks like a football now. Gosh. And now we're going to roll it. So when you make gnocchi and the dough is ready, you have to roll them right away, because if you leave them on the counter, they're gonna get mushy mush.
To roll them right away.
Right away. Okay, so the dough is ready. I'm going to cut it in small pieces so we can share. Everybody can have their own station and roll the gnocchi, right? Okay, so when the dough is ready, now I'm gonna teach you how to roll the gnocchi. Okay? So you grab a piece of dough and then you roll it on your counter with your hand, with your palm, and you're making a gnocchi snake. This is gonna be easy to remember, right? You roll a gnocchi snake just like this. Isn't it fun? And now I'm going to cut it with the Maria. So can you put a close up here, Matti? Now I'm going to cut the gnocchi. These are potatoes gnocchi. Look how beautiful. Right? So now I roll the gnocchi. I learned from my mom that, also your mom, we have to make something called rigatura. How do you say in English rigatura? Like this?
Like an indent?
Lines. You make lines using a gnocchi board or a fork. We use a gnocchi board because it's easier and it looks pretty. Otherwise, with a fork, you just do this. Right? Easy. But my mom, that she's Neapolitan, doesn't believe in any of this. She uses the finger. She just pinch and roll, but she's very fast. I'm more slow, like this. So the gnocchi are going to have a small hole, and when you cook them, the sauce is gonna be trapped here. And also with the lines, same things, right? My favorite, I must say, are the lines, because they all look so pretty. Now, oozbund, it's time to roll some gnocchi. You excited? So make the rigatura. Okay, so the oozbund is rolling the gnocchi, making the rigatura, the lines. Good job. You look like you know what you're doing.
Not my first time.
Not your first time? Oh yeah, that's right. So very important, we're going to put the gnocchi on a tablecloth with the flour, otherwise they're gonna stick. If you don't put the tablecloth, the gnocchi are gonna stick. Right, amore?
Going to stick.
They're gonna stick on the bowl or whatever you put in. If you don't have a tablecloth, put them on a plate. Wow, you can roll. Good job. Amazing, right?
Amazing.
You can also cook. You can do so many things. right?
Right.
You're the perfect oozbund. Okay, so when you make gnocchi, you actually have to cook them right away. So at this point, when you roll them, right, amore?
Right.
You have to actually be ready to cook them right away. So now I'm going to prepare the water to boil them, and then I'm gonna put the sauce on, set up the table, and we're going to have an amazing lunch, right?
Marzia, how do you say gnocchi?
In Italian, it's gnocchi, not gnocchi or gnocchi or gnocchi. Gnocchi! Gnocchi!